making some oobleck. It's called oobleck. You need some cornstarch. It looks like this. It's either in a bucket or in a bowl or in cardboard. Yeah. You can just mix it and just. Okay, now the first step is to put some cornstarch in.
Is it a little bit or is it all of it, you think?
It doesn't matter. It depends on how much you want. I don't want that much because we're not gonna use it for that long probably.
Say it.
Now let's mix. Water. Okay, you mix in.
I think you should pour the whole thing, in my opinion.
Okay, mix that in. What? It finally worked! So much hard time. Look at that. It might be a little gooey for y'all, but it works. See? It's grass. It's supposed to be.
All right, guys. Well, stay tuned. We'll stay tuned to the music.
Sunny, stop recording it! Stay tuned, guys, for another video, I guess.
Don't forget to
Like and subscribe. We only have 81 subscribers. Please subscribe.
bye.
Don't eat it!
All right, tell everybody bye, Sunny.